Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to continue to our tutorial about regex and as part 2, which is about meta characters. At the core of regex are meta characters, special symbols that control how patterns are interpreted. In the previous video we have seen regex functions which are helpful for search, extraction and manipulation. Today we will talk about meta characters, special symbols that control how patterns are interpreted. These meta characters let you define flexible search patterns like matching the start or end of a string, repeating characters, or capturing specific formats like phone numbers or emails. Understanding these symbols is the first step to writing effective regex patterns, and once you get familiar with them, you will be able to handle text processing tasks much more efficiently. Alright, let's take a look at some of the most common meta characters. I will show you a chart and this will give us quick reference, and I will walk you through what each one means and how to read them and code them. So our first meta character is dot. It matches any single character except new line. So if you write something like a.c, it matches abc, adc, acc, basically any character between a and c. Let's see it in the code. So here we have a sample text which we are going to search for a.c pattern using the dot meta character. So let's use any function in RE module. Let's type print RE dot find all. We generally use row strings to make it easier for us. Let's type a dot c and type the name of our string text. And if we run it, it found ABC, ADC, ACC, and AXC. So our next meta character is caret. It anchors match to the start of the string. So caret hello would only match if hello appears right at the start of the line. So here is our sample text and we will search for caret hello pattern in it. Let's use re.findAll again, print re.findAll as a row string hello text. As you can see, it finds hello, but if you do something like this or this, it won't work because it only matches if it appears right at the start of the line. Next one is $sign. It anchors match to the end of the string. In example, world dollar will match only if the word world is at the end of the text. Now let's try to print it. Print re dot find all row string world dollar in what? Of course, text. And as you can see, it finds world. Next is asterisk. It matches 0 or more repetitions of previous expression. So here we have a character or groups which we will see in the next videos right before it. For example, AB asterisk matches A, AB, ABB, ABBB, and so on. Let's see it in an example. Now let's print re dot find all as row string A, B, and asterisk. So it means A followed by any number of B's. And in where in text, let's run it. It prints out A, AB, ABB, and ABBB. If you type something like this, B and BC in example, it won't find them out. Next one is plus and means one or more repetitions. So AB plus must have at least one B after the A, so it's stricter. Let's type print re dot findable AB plus in text. So it doesn't care about others, but only the ones with B after A with one or more repetitions. Now another interesting meta character is question mark. It matches 0 or 1 repetition of previous. In example, AB question mark would match A or AB but not ABB. Let's try it. Print re.findAll as row string AB question mark text. As you can observe, it only prints out ABs here and A only. It recognizes only A and B characters but does not recognize B's after because we have used question marks, so it only takes care of 0 or 1 occurrence. Now let's look at the curly brace syntax. These are for specifying exact number of repetitions. When you see something like 3 in curly braces, we can call it exactly 3 times. So A followed by curly brace, 3 curly brace means exactly 3 times of A. If you see something like A followed by curly brace, followed by an exact number and comma and a curly brace again. In example, if it's 2, it means 2 or more times. So n or more times. In example, a 2 or more times matches a, etc. If you see something like from n to m and a between 2 and 4 times, and in example, a between 2 and 4 times matches a, and a. It matches between n and m repetitions of previous. Here is our sample text and we want to try some expressions with curly braces. Let's start by exactly n times. So print re.findAll ra3 in text. There are 2 occurrences. One is here and other one is here. So they come one after another adjacent characters and it finds them out. Now, if I want to find 2 or more A's, all I gotta do is type inside the curly braces 2, comma. So if I print it, it will print out AA from here, AAA from here, and AAAA from here. If I want to find 2 to 4 A's, after the comma, I gotta type 4. So, sorry, it will print all between 2 and 4. And that's a quick overview of the most common regex metacharacters in Python. The symbols might look a little strange at first, but once you start using them, they become powerful tools for finding patterns, filtering data, and automating text processing. Whether you are matching a single character with a dot, repeating elements with asterisks and plus signs, or controlling repetitions with curly braces, RegEx gives you a lot of control. Keep practicing with small examples, and over time, these patterns will start to feel like second nature. We are accumulating our knowledge. We will merge them in the next videos to compile more complex patterns. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and show us your support.